Android phone vibration not working. Don't worry, today in this video I'll be talking about some of the reasons and ways to fix that. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of my mobile device. So if the vibration is not working, then that might be due to various reasons. So the first reason is if your phone is in silent mode, then also it won't vibrate. So you just have to tap over the sound option over here, and you have to keep it on either sound, or you can also tap over the vibration. By doing that also you'll be able to fix that. So if your phone is in silent, then it won't vibrate or the vibration won't work. And the next thing is if the do not disturb option is turned on over here, you can see right now I have turned on. So if it has been turned on, then also your mobile won't vibrate because you are in the do not disturb mode. So if it's turned on, then you just have to tap over there and you have to turn it off. By doing that also you'll be able to fix Android phone vibration not working. If you have tried this to fix and if you are still unable to do so, then you just have to swipe down your notification panel and go for settings option in the right upper corner. Over here simply go for apps and notifications and tap over the notification. At the bottom there is advanced option, tap over there, and you have to make sure that all notification snoozing option is turned on. By doing that also you'll be able to fix your problem. And lastly, you can refresh your mobile device. For that you have to press and hold over your power button, and here will be the option for either restart or reboot. You just have to tap over there and restart your mobile device. By doing that also your mobile device will be refreshed and you'll be able to have your phone vibrating. So these are the common reasons and ways to fix Android phone vibration not working. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.